mean, how you can go to you said, number 50, man, number 50. Yana, number 50. Yana, air course, number 50. A punishment, a Diama MPP4. MPP4, a primo macumum, in Boniface. I wasn't the one to go and destroy the akufo-addo's swearing in. Kwanamikura NDC for information, game plan. We could have fought, but Ebekwa na Akufo-Addo onye president. Ohe dignitaries ana abanwa. O reciprocating action of NDC for now it goes against Akufo-Addo. And then many aging any now Ghana for why you quiet when you say we were CBB. Anytime one who said me food make us out with emotions is when I'm fighting for peace. When somebody has been cheated, when I'm fighting for the vulnerable. Engineer me pay peace. Why would I go and start destroying the peace we have? And then I'm reading argument my year be the last year they were destroying innocent people's shops with their hard-earned money investment for so long because we say we lose power on Thursday. And I'm evidence. But the last one now had the evidence for 3 days. They kept calling me, said, yeah, one umbashino. Wouldn't say me time, but time I'm to America so Kumasi market any cake kusu, not Omushi Ayalolo. That is why I made emphatic statement saying, Yabashi MPP for NDC for paying for so the enormous were feeding. So what's here the argument? A child said, I always stand for peace and truth. Anytime I send your mommy anyway in your beyond, not both. And you may say, I'm ranchiano, exuberant, they were waiting for a command also to retaliate. But what would have happened to President Akufo-Addo? That is why I kept quiet in it. I do that, so not every day. MPP for na mo fia na mo sha mo chose skirt and blouse MPP for a pimo makuma mo a o mo ntumi emfa bonenche na every day for ene mpenfo de bube o se bafan o ni tutu on o fu se o yi oni oni se onu ane ne to en o se no ndie no ebe ye asua de amayi se wunua eye boni kra party ni mistake po a ubetimi ahwe the larger picture of the party and forgive for us to move on. Let me state it clearly. MPP4 and Kwana na master tisa bekasa. Woman careful. So continue stay. Yabeko opposition 2024 because she said yes very in Akufo-Addo. Alan, Baumia, Alan, Baumia. What is this? And no, at the fragmentation, a disintegrated party, complete. When we take early positions like this, and the best party for Mumianfa MPs, Senior Esia Kosuya in the history of this country, a didn't see that, and the Enya Ghana for an MPP for a wafu, a MPP for one casa, ye nyam satudo, and a bufu, and forgiveness I end be. Minim MPP for Omquasoria. Mimi Casa say Grammy, Mimi Christo needs MPP for the because what I have gone through in the name of MPP, MPP for a Twitter platform, so a team at Germany, I still put everything behind me to go and defend this party. Why can't you do same? Engineer Esino, it's a sign for us to win 2024. If we all come together, realize our mistakes, and put things behind us and say, no, we we are all going to follow you. With unity, definitely we will win 2024. But with this fragmentation, I must start Alan, Baumia, it is not healthy for the party. I hope Senia Esino, Ebama Obia Ahodu, ne Enyama or Passoye, no much. Let us give ourselves 2 years and see. Leaders emerge. Now, Obia between every 2024 candidate, it depends on the performance of Akufo-Addo. Straight. The man has just been sworn in yesterday. Let's see how far he will take this country. And the Mesramo, MPP for himself station, that's why I've decided to talk. Maybe a friend yes me a prophet. And yes me a prophet too. Asamno, Mecca, Ubekam Tikra, Mecca, Cratcho. And you know, he said the prophet. And he must start it and I make a chum. So my yai Alan, Baumia. We are on our way to opposition. They've started too early. I don't care who becomes the leader after Nana. But let's do things properly. Make sure say we have a formidable front to confront NDC for because mistakes are here no ama NDC for your power. More confidence that they're going to win. We have a deficit from 2016 and gains no. It tells you that you do agree. You have a co-position. Near a sea, now a Yankopon a true MPP for us. Now, I didn't want to destroy Akufo-Addo's swearing in. The backbenchers and Penphobia no more catch them. You have to whip them. You say, how be enemy Yanzo? A bar. Now, Ubia, can I Japon dear? Can I Japon dear? Can I Japon dear? Maybe she say yes. Maybe she say yes. I cannot be doing people's dirty work for them like that. I can't do people's dirty work for them like that.
What can I want to know?
I don't know if I say one of the any man casa, wash their doctor to the you know, that I asked the God of war, said, who can say, oh, they don't take their time to listen to my arguments. What I say, if they do, who say, I stand for peace in this country. And they, what they are yes, you know, Mr. Omumian Fantriachi, Niamfania, a Siandi, na party, Nian Kamu. Me chairman Baku, I'm favorite chairman, or by me, enough come to what is here. What to be Jamaica, you know, to be changed. Menako, or Pinisi from PR, I'm so walk out when you are count you lose executives. Constituency executives. Now this is president was gentle and you need to send it past some president sent me and country but I said this was the this is the MCs also about 98% we woman. I'm sorry, some but no correct pass the MCs way. On you woman. Now one more quiet remember the local government Nama Pacho, Mr. Minister, Unity, we, men farmer, we, men, one problem for Mudima. I'm for Mudima, I back up 2%. Name me MC here, I recommend him. Omoakanina bogus. Almost diabroye. And you have some people. I told you, let's put all these things behind us and move the party. There can't quit a woman. Now, you're the year is now you change it in your mind. And you say, dear, now see, I'm starting the crack. I started there. Then you're ready to set your co-opposition. Maybe I'm before somebody better so. Mesada, MP Manasi, fair. Ansia Lucy Cassie. We were talking of free SHS. We've been very ungrateful to TESCOM, especially TESCOM. Our tertiary info. That TESCOM for a petrol for a human. When they see their police came for under MPP, say human. Hey, democracy I say. Democracy I say. We are there and we see ministers giving huge contracts to NDC4. We are there, we see payments being made to NDC4 against NPP4. Na make Agyapong, Memen Kokun Tokwa. For what? I will listen to me clearly. I will fight for the ordinary person on the street like Kantamantuashi Nyoman. I will not be and fight for any minister who could not lose, not cleaning, say, party, and a go by into also a party for. I will do it. I will not do it. That is why I kept quiet. Let me Japan. God do Alatani was God don't punish you. Or you die. Mo got now a pim makumamu. You bet 20 ya, you bet 20 ya. Only party for Casa Pachokra. Oh, Nana, the other woman. No, I don't know. MP, the other two. Me patch out the Sakwala. We patch out the Sakwala. Now, let's put everything behind us. Now,
answer now bekon asin central asin north ene nia esi wo ho video bi na mabontia na wo kasa brante no o bi a ensese omoma no kwan empo ensese omoto aba ede ema no opani dia na na wahu
well asin north minimum no very well jo kwesi minimum no for ban kwalemu ene mi no mo ye fine o mu family dia but men no kura no makacho as far back as 2012 and we ba say or be contesting by Canadian citizen NDC for Nankata and the way and we judge. So if you still have intention of contesting, you should have renounced your citizenship as a Canadian. He didn't do it. Now the law says at the time that he was filing the nomination, now or renounce or nishi or a was what they are true, but they are farmers. A question why Bissau say, do you hold any nationality again? No. Who can know? Not a detective who said, yes, sir. You go to jail. That is why I was telling them, baby, I'm make us a no one group, a soon group. Nana make no H0t. But they didn't listen. They didn't listen. And now, Obia, what's in Canada when you're BSR? What you mean to know me? You drum. You see what the clerk did? Or we need to say, Obia wouldn't even say. Yes, sir. Yes, man to Abba. So, now Kotua. O punishment in it. 1 year and Wakoto. When you're from Monday, I don't want to tell you anything. Monday, a free Monday call. What do you have a team? NDC for Nankasa, me not boom. When we peer on things, so I know Mother Castle at the end of the year. When we peer on here, no Mother Castle at the end. One cry, I know who you did. Hey, and only I said, you doom. What committed serious crime? Nehuchi a veteran. And you arrest my case.
One shot, MPP4. Adauroma no wan hwe no bi mpo kokko gina so e de kwakofo obi hotan e de akwako lead to punishment ebi
na asmasi
ene yen hwehwe ni pasmasi ene yenye ni say of course ene mabu o ha is unpardonable se bia obekọ parliament o kwakoto aba buza ho se aba no wa na akwakoto no odimu ana se minyini se obia ni hwa e ba se akwakoto makoko ne prof design aban babe ne provoke so aba no obia ekoye friend ne how do you even sample the opinions and Crawford na it's not a question of it's a question of MPP ni and the ambigina also na MPP one is hold party no franka video be call round ba ko bi so kwa obi nsu frantoma no so oje ne
so 2-1-2
oje na
many penifon bi adi
no de call ballot
many MPs ni bi adi nkomo omo say wo no ma ade ye teke anu nti no nipa menu di na wo so to wo bo no ma wo se waje ne dia ono aso wa biem sei because ono muso wa tama Professor Michael Kwe no ateke ono ateke even before be drew boot no ho eti hu hia so sa akọ se kire ho
enti the front man so be hwe a ogi ye no wa see dress na oko eno na bana sa me hu sa so wateke
enti wo be hwe videos ni ya na mo fa pen na omo enti oko nya no wateke no de kwa ni baby enti no videos abebre ye careful say ye nkwa antagonize